Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing I'm really excited about. If you saw my video, I think 2 videos ago, I unboxed a vintage Coach bag, the blue one, and I loved it so much. When I went to leave the feedback for this seller on Etsy, I started looking at everything else in her Etsy store, and I saw this bag that I just couldn't resist. So, yeah, I got another one from the same seller, but I just feel like she's amazing. I'm so hooked now. So let me show you what I got. So as before, it came really nicely packaged with this tissue paper and a little heart sticker. I like little details like that. I love packaging, and I just like when people show that they kind of care, you know? And again, let me just, sorry, so it's packaged really nicely. Let me just put this box down. So again, like a little note, I'm just gonna hide my last name. So a little note and everything really nicely packaged. So I just turn this around and I'm gonna open it. And I like that it's in plastic because, God forbid, the box gets wet, your item is protected. Okay, and the note says, "Dear Allison, thank you so very much for another purchase. Please enjoy carrying this beautiful," oh, I'm not going to say she wrote what it is, but I'm not going to say it because I want to surprise you. She is a happy and loving bag. They all have their own personalities, as you know. I think you two will fit together beautifully. Sincerely, Sue. That is so nice. I mean, just the fact that she takes the time to write these notes and you know, does your name in glitter. It's just a little touch that I really appreciate. So there we go. Of course, if you've seen, you know, you've looked at the thumbnail, you probably have an idea what this is. But ta-da! Can you see? Oh my gosh, I don't know if the light, it's not, gosh, it looks so dark. Okay, let me see if I'm going to move there we go. It's a bone. The color's bone. Can you see? It's a bone quart bag. It's the quart style. I absolutely love it. It's coming up on camera in this lighting as if it's like a putty color, but it's not. It's a beautiful bone color, and it has a slip pocket in the back. It has the original Coach tag, turn lock. Inside is nice big compartment, and there's a zip. Zip compartment here, and let's see, it's very clean inside, which is important. That is why I'm actually willing to pay a premium for these vintage bags that have been cleaned, because I have a couple, as I think I've mentioned, they need to be cleaned, and in a way I'm looking forward to doing that myself, but in another way it's a lot of work. So you know, and sometimes you just want to use the bag right away. So here is the shoulder strap. Okay, and go. Okay. So there we go. I mean, how beautiful is that? I'm trying to see if I hold something behind it. Will it color? No. I think it's just, I think the lighting is just not not good enough in here, but let me take it. Right here, I got it in the correct light. Look how beautiful. I just am in love with the shape of this bag. The color, it's just so great. And it really is a true bone color. I will link the information for this Etsy store in the description. In terms of the price, this was listed in the high 500s, but I got a $50 discount as a second time buyer. So it ended up being in the low 500s, which I think for a vintage, fully restored Coach bag, I think that's reasonable. Yeah, I don't know. Tell me what you think, but I do think that's a reasonable price for the bag. It's clean. It's in beautiful condition. So I can just start wearing it immediately or using it immediately. So thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you next time.